Experience luxury in the style of Andover Place. Our gorgeous property is pet-friendly with an amenity package that is second to none. You'll love spending time in our landscaped grounds and enjoying the beautiful pond with fountain views, unwinding at the gazebo, and having some fun at the tot lot, swimming pool, and picnic area with grills. The luxurious clubhouse lounge has complimentary Wi-Fi, and the fitness and cardio center has everything you need for a workout. We offer a selection of spacious 1, 2, and 3 bedroom floor plans and a choice of a classic European-style kitchen or a modern one with black appliances. Standard features include accent walls, upgraded fixtures and finishes, dining area, oversized closets, and screened-in patio or balcony, and select units have a wood-burning fireplace. Lots of dining, shopping, and entertainment options can be found nearby, along with major Orlando thoroughfares. Schedule a visit today and choose your new home at Andover Place.